Comino Grando is the world's first ultra-compact liquid-cooled enterprise computing platform with the built-in ability to reuse heat. A standard 42U rack hosts up to 10 modules, reducing the required area resources up to 10 times. 5.4 GHz Ethereum using AMD 580 RxG PUs, 25% more than on air. 160 GPUs per one rack. 25 kilowatts power consumption of one rack. Low power consumption compared to traditional air cooling, effectively reducing your electricity costs. Reduction of OPEX by 40% due to lower costs for electricity, cooling, area, and increased revenue due to the use of a liquid cooling, which leads to a higher income. GPUs and CPUs work in the normal temperature range, 45 degrees Celsius. Deformational cutting is used to achieve the maximum efficiency of heat recovery, cooperating directly with the inventor of this technology. Risers wires high quality. PSU improved only high quality components. You don't spend additional money to create data center with additional cooling. Long-term warranty contracts available. The entire engineering infrastructure of the product can work and serve you for as much as 15 years during regular maintenance. Easy upgrade. Whenever you want to upgrade the system, just replace the GPU blade and continue to use the rest of the infrastructure, avoiding any additional expenses. Simple maintenance. The rack is designed for liquid cooling and uses quick disconnect couplings, which allow to plug and unplug any module easily without having to stop the whole system. Heat recovery. Heat exchanger can be added additional for other needs. The heat generated can be reused for other purposes, such as space or water heating. Our solution allows operating safely in any climate at any time of the year. For the outside environment, a temperature of -40 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius and humidity of 20% to 80%. The software is designed for remote monitoring and diagnostics of the entire system. No noise. The fanless system built around plate heat exchangers is not only effective, but almost completely silent. Power usage effectiveness, PUE, is a ratio that describes how efficiently a computer data center uses energy, specifically how much energy is used by the computing equipment, in contrast to cooling and other overheads. PUE in our solution is 1.05. For comparison, PUE in air-cooled systems can be 2.0. To make the long story short, for each 10 kilowatts which generates money for you, you are paying for an additional 10 kilowatts to cool it. With our liquid cooling, you need just 5% for cooling the system.